Planning a trip to Tokyo and wondering how to make the most of it? Whether it's your first time or you're returning for more, this is the ultimate 5-day itinerary through the world's most exciting city. From iconic temples to neon nightlife and hidden gems only locals know, this is Tokyo, done right. You're watching Scenic Reel. Subscribe for more cinematic travel guides that go beyond the brochure. Now let's dive in. How to spend 5 days in Tokyo. Tokyo, the world's largest city and beating heart of Japan, is home to over 14 million people. Just to give you an idea of how dense that is, Shinjuku Station alone sees more than 4 million people pass through it daily, nearly the population of New Zealand. It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to spend 5 unforgettable days in Tokyo. How to get around Tokyo. Tokyo's train map might look like a bowl of spaghetti, but it's actually quite easy to navigate once you know this. The Yamanote Line, the green loop, connects all major urban hubs. It loops around the city in about an hour and runs both clockwise and counterclockwise. If you're near a Yamanote stop, you're never more than 30 minutes from anywhere important. From there, it's easy to transfer to local and subway lines. I highly recommend using Google Maps. It's better than any other transit app I've used and even tells you the best train car to board for quick transfers. You won't need a JR pass if you're only staying in Tokyo. It's expensive and not valid on every line. Instead, get an IC card, like Suica or Pasmo, and charge it with around Y5,000, 30 USD. It works across Japan's networks and even at convenience stores and vending machines. Note, as of this recording, IC chip shortages have paused the sale of Suica cards to tourists, but I'll share alternatives at the end of this video. Where to stay in Tokyo? For the best access to nightlife and easy late-night returns, stay near Shinjuku or Shibuya, Tokyo's most vibrant districts. Alternatively, Asakusa offers a more peaceful vibe near the Sumida River and the iconic Sensoji Temple, especially for early risers. Thanks to the Yamanote Loop, any neighborhood along the line is viable. Just avoid missing your last train, which stops shortly after midnight. Also, Narita Airport is about an hour from central Tokyo. Try to arrive before evening so you have time to clear immigration, pick up your SIM Wi-Fi and train cards, and get to your hotel before trains stop running. Day 1. Iconic Tokyo. Start your Tokyo adventure early at Sensoji, the city's oldest and most visited temple. Begin at the Kaminariman Gate, stroll down Nakamisa Street, and soak in classic Japanese culture before the tourist crowds arrive. From there, take a short walk to the Sumida River, especially beautiful during cherry blossom season. You can enjoy a boat ride or admire the Tokyo Sky Tree and the iconic Golden Asahi Beer Hall, humorously dubbed the Golden Turd by locals. On a clear day, pay the Y 2,000, at 20 USD, to go up Tokyo Skytree for an epic view, sometimes even as far as Mount Fuji. End your day in Shibuya. Cross the famous Shibuya Scramble, the world's busiest intersection with 3,000 people crossing every 2 minutes. Then explore the area's restaurants, bars, and department stores. It's the perfect way to beat jet lag and create your first Tokyo memories. Day 2. Relaxing Tokyo. After a busy first day, slow things down with a visit to the Imperial Palace East Gardens, a peaceful oasis in the heart of Tokyo. In spring, it's one of the best spots for cherry blossoms. You can even rent a rowboat for just $1,500, it can around 400 USD, but get there early. Queues start at 8 a.m. Right across the road, visit the Yasukuni Shrine. Though it has a controversial history, it's one of Tokyo's most photogenic sites. If you visit in summer, don't miss the Matama Festival, when over 30,000 lanterns light up the shrine. Next, head to Akihabara, Tokyo's electric town and hub of anime, manga, and gaming culture. For the perfect photo, walk uphill past the Green Bridge or get off at Ochanomizu Station to see 3 train lines converge. Wrap up the night in Shinjuku at Omoide Yokocho, aka Piss Alley, for drinks and yakitori. Then take a neon-lit stroll through Kabukicho, Tokyo's red light district. Tame by global standards, but avoid touts to stay safe. End the evening in Golden Gai, a cluster of 200 plus tiny bars with unforgettable vibes. Day 3, idyllic Tokyo. Start your day at Meiji Jingu Shrine, nestled inside Yoyogi Park. This massive forest of 100,000 trees offers serene paths and spiritual calm. You might even catch a traditional wedding procession here. Next, explore Harajuku, Japan's fashion hub. Walk down Takeshita Street for youth trends, crepes, and fluffy pancakes. For a more refined experience, head to Omotesando, a luxury shopping street compared to Paris's Champs-Élysées. End your night at Tokyo Tower, modeled after the Eiffel Tower, but 3 meters taller. The tower looks stunning at night and includes a VR gaming center at its base for bad weather days. Day 4, escape from Tokyo. Use this day for a day trip outside the city. Great options include Nikko or Matsushima Bay for stunning natural scenery, Hakone or Fuji 5 Lakes for views of Mount Fuji, Yokohama, just an hour away with a chill vibe, bay views, in Chinatown, or even Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea if that's your thing. I personally prefer Universal Studios in Osaka. Day 5, the grand finale. End your Tokyo journey with something unforgettable. Team Lab Planets, an immersive digital art museum. Walk through water, light, and mirrored spaces that change as you move. Note, you'll walk barefoot and through water up to 1.5 feet deep, so dress accordingly or rent shorts at the venue. Be sure to book in advance, as same-week tickets are rarely available. Just 10 minutes away is the Toyosu Fish Market, Tokyo's newer version of the iconic Tsukiji Market. It's perfect for a fresh sushi lunch. From there, explore Odaiba, a man-made entertainment island with attractions for all interests. Perfect for ending your trip on a high. How to get an IC card during the shortage. Since Suica and Pasmo cards aren't currently available to tourists, here are your options. iPhone users can use Apple Pay for train rides by registering a transit card. Welcome Suica is available and valid for 28 days, but non-refundable. IC cards from other regions also work in Tokyo. For example, Ikaka from Osaka is still available and can even be purchased at Tokyo Station near the Tokaido Shinkansen office. Reused cards from past trips still will work, and some can be bought secondhand. Sites like Klook also sell IC cards, passes, and TeamLab tickets. Use my code INACA5OFF at checkout for a discount and to support the channel. Finally, Tokyo has more to offer than you could ever fit into 5 days, but this guide gives you a perfect blend of culture, excitement, and hidden gems. Leave your own Tokyo tips in the comments and let me know where you want Scenic Reel to explore next. Thanks for watching Scenic Reel. See you in Japan.